Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasngi Phet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Ki saungut ki MLA ka VPP ha ka jingelam uba adan mila basayomon kilami jyndat no Iingdorbar sunrai halor ka jing prasha ya ka raiban ailat yu menteri katnat puli puthi Rakkam A Sangma Iingdorbar khlem dale AA prasha ya u halor ka jing kno ba udan benta jingkren ya ka parti. Ula berngem ru lada ke sarkar ka ailat yu menteri ban jubam ngin mino shabar. Ngim kwa bandan ka jing yakin an hapdeng ki khasi bergaru ka jingkren jang u kala aiding bani shun hapdeng ki arjat ben riu. Ha kasngi basau jang Iingdorbar sunrai Maria penbena usimbot lampang Timothy di shira ya ka rai ban ailat ya menteri katnat puli puthi ba jubab ya kamat yatai balingkot balawan ra da presiden ka VPP bat MLA ka nongkrem ba adan basayomon halor ga jingthungkam nong hikai hada dengris of division uba adan lembat kilai ngut ki weipat ki MLA ka VPP kilai yang na syuki bat mi no shabar haba kentho khlem karan karem uba adan mela basayomon lembat ki parlok MLA kim sngap satya yu menteri katnat puli puthi ya ka jingkren shun jangu kadai ka jingpen khen ya ka shispa khandai phriu jang ka BNSS Henry ki kwa da UCM lane uwei na ki deputy CM kin ai jingkren halor ka ni ka kam ngan sngap satya.
Sir, Deputy Speaker, sir, education.
As I've mentioned in the start, I would like through you, sir, to request either the Chief Minister or one of the Deputy Chief Minister to address this issue, sir. I will not listen to the Education Minister because the matter against him, sir, is so serious. It attracts Section 196 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So, sir, if the Chief Minister or one of their Deputy Chief Minister is not addressing this issue, I'm not going to listen.
As per our practice.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, for me, let me refer the rule, as per Rule 300. And I would like also to refer to Rule 2791 and Subpara 2, which says, a member while speaking shall not make a personal charge against a member. So I thought we'll allow first the Honorable Minister concerned to reply, but since the Honorable Member from Nongkren constituency, Adan Basangmoit, stood up and also reacted to this, I would like to first of all, sir, put things in order because the charges is so personal. So therefore, sir, better we expunge that line. Wherever he already used, because the
He made a public statement, sir. It is not a personal statement. He made a public statement against us. So the matter is so serious. So if we feel that the government can go ahead and allow him to reply, we are going to walk out, sir. We are not going to compromise. Sir, we don't want to see that there will be a clash between these two communities. His statement, sir, his speech is promoting enmity between the Khasis and the Garus. I don't think we should allow this kind of speech to be encouraged, sir.
Yes, sir, I would like to say like this. I think in the
It is not
statement,
a personal. It is not a personal. It is a public speech
sir,
where he made against us.
I think I would request the honourable member to listen to me also. I think in the statement where he made, the honourable member from Nongkren constituency has mentioned that FIR has been filed. Okay, if FIR has been filed, so let the course of law carry on. But you bringing here inside the house without any
Because he is an MLA.
conviction,
We bring
or
it inside the house
it's
because
only
he's an
the
MLA.
allegation. So sir, why should we bring in this issue inside this August
There
house?
should not be no.
That
there
is
should
my point,
not
sir.
be any
so
immunity.
because see, when we are here inside the house, let us be being governed by the rules on this. This is my only concern. So I would request you, sir, that the statement made by the honourable member, because this is a personal charge, personal charge against the member who happens also to be the minister in the government.
As per practice, whenever any subject discussion took place, regarding so I allow Education Minister to make a reply.
Let's walk out. Yes, no. Should we listen?
Deputy Speaker, sir. Educated people never fight.